Hello friends, it's Tuesday and today is Phil's mom's birthday. So happy birthday, Mom. I'm actually going over to her house later and we are getting one of her favorites, Pizzeria Uno. They have a vegan pizza that she loves. So I'm gonna pick that up and head over to her house to celebrate. Phil is out of town for work, but I wanna make sure she has fun on her birthday. So I'm gonna be heading over there in just a little bit. But first, I have a couple, maybe more than a couple, Amazon package that I've gotten over the past couple of days. I bought the Shein outfits 2 weeks ago maybe, and I wanted to create full outfits with all of the clothes. So it's kind of like a goal of mine to have like a new complete outfit every month. So working towards getting those together. So let's check out what I got. Okay, so these are actually for Phil's mom for her birthday. I got her these little keychains and it comes with the key hooks that you can put on them, as well as cute little tassels. But she can actually add some vinyl to these and turn them into gifts or keychains to keep. And then these are just, it's hard to see, but these are just some canvas totes. I'm not going to take them out. I'm going to let her unwrap those. Just basic canvas totes. And the last thing we got for her are coaster tiles. They're just white coaster tiles that she can put vinyl on. I'm super excited about these. I kind of wanted some little gold hoops and I found these. They almost have like a little beveled shape to them. Very excited to have kind of this basic staple piece. And then I got these beaded dangle earrings. They're kind of like flowers. I was gonna put these with that kind of Moroccan inspired dress. So I wanted something that had that handmade feel to it. All right, these didn't travel the best. There's like a little kink in them. But I really wanted these flats. I forget the original brand name that they sort of look like. But this girl I follow, Magically Megan, I think that's her name. She has these and I just love them. Again, I think these, I want to say I was going to put these with the polka dot dress, but now I can't remember. I feel like I'm going to wear them a lot if they work out. These are just a super basic leather sandal, flat, nothing really to them, but I had a leather sandal that I would wear all the time a couple summers ago, and then they just were loved too much. So new pair right here. I can't remember who I was gonna put these with, but I absolutely love these earrings, the beads and the fringe. I'm all for the fringe. Of course, more fringe. I got these two little parrots. I wanted to put it with one of the outfits I got. It was like an Animal Kingdom-esque shirt, but it also, after looking at it a little more, made me think of Adventureland. So I kind of was gonna play off the Tiki Room vibes with these. And then last but not least, I got these chains because I have two necklaces that broke and I absolutely love them. They were Disney necklaces that I got off an Etsy shop and I want to fix them. So I'm hoping this chain will help me fix them. Well, that is it with the packages. I actually thought the stuff for Phil's mom was going to be sent directly to her. Alas, it was not. I was surprised she didn't say anything because she's usually very quick to say thank you and give gratitude. So I'll just bring those over since we're going over. I'm glad I opened them because I didn't think they were here. Okay, so far these are supposed to be a size 11. Yes, I have giant feet. These are probably like a 10 or a 9.5 because they're just too small. So I'm gonna see if they have maybe a size 12 because I do like them. We'll see. These, upon further examination, I just feel like they're so thin and flimsy. I worry how long they will last. Whereas like this, even though they do have a thinner sole, it's like pretty sturdy and solid. This, however, is like, I feel like I'd bend and break it. So I'm gonna be returning both of them. Maybe better luck with the shoes next time. Earrings, however, loving these little ones. They're very, not too dainty, but small enough. I have a pet peeve about I don't want to wear dangly ears with Mickey ears, but I feel like I could get away with these and have my Mickey ears on. That was kind of the goal with these, so we'll see how it goes. Also, maybe some headbands. I don't know, we'll see. Hello friends, it's Wednesday. I'm here with Jimmy. Say hi, Jimmy.
Hey.
We are going on an adventure. We've already had quite an adventure this morning. We recently have had bees entering our house every so often. So it was maybe 2 weeks ago, like one, then last week, one, and then another, like just one at a time. And then yesterday there was one, and today there was three. So yesterday I was like, I am done with this. What is going on? And I kind of like looked around near where they entered, which was the kitchen. They were in the kitchen.
You're also deadly afraid of bees.
Yes, I am deadly afraid of bees. Deadly afraid. And so I looked around, and there certainly was a nest happening, but it was near our garage. So in my head, I'm like freaking out. Like our garage, the entryway for the bee to travel from the garage into the kitchen is decently far. So I'm like, are they in the ducts? Are they in the vents of the house? Who knows? But the bee guy was supposed to come on Thursday, and then I saw the other two bees today. Come to find out was three, because my brother, when he came, he killed the three that were inside. But I had the bee guy come this morning, and he actually found two nests. So the bee guy told me to monitor them. By Saturday, there should be no more bees entering or moving. They'll slowly die. And let me clarify, these are not bees. These are yellow jackets. Not about that. So yeah, fun bee probs this morning, and I hate bees. If I didn't tell you, I hate bees. But today is a very important day.
Is it?
It is important. Why is it important, Jimmy?
Because apparently it's first day of pumpkin spice season.
Yeah, Ginny is my pumpkin spice buddy. Now, I prefer Starbucks pumpkin spice cold brews. If you haven't had one, they rocked my world last year and changed it. I don't really care for any other pumpkin spice drinks from Starbucks other than the cold brew. The cold brew is amazing. It has, I think, like a pumpkin spice foam on it. Delicious. But Jimmy loves Dunkin', and Starbucks hasn't even released their date yet. It's speculated that it's not next week but the week after. But Dunkin's supposed to have their pumpkin spice today. Got my Halloween shirt on. We're ready to have some pumpkin spice fun at Dunkin' Donuts. Jimmy, you like Dunkin' Donuts better than Starbucks, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jimmy is a Dunkin' person. I'm more Starbucks. But Dunkin's not bad. I just prefer Starbucks, mostly because I like the cold brews, and they don't have cold brew at Dunkin'. All right, it looks like some other people had this idea. The line's looking pretty long. And guaranteed there are pumpkin spice signs here at Dunkin', so we're gonna have it for sure. Jimmy, how was your first sip of the season? I guess the grunt is good. Cold brew's definitely better, but this isn't terrible. I'm all for the Starbucks cold brew. Nothing can beat it. Phil, what'd you get?
I got us a PVC window sticker.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the back of the window.
Yeah.
friends, today we're having these ginger pork meatballs with some new recipe cards from Blue Apron. They're not as good as the last ones, I feel like. Like, look at how small the ingredients are. Whereas the ingredients were nice and big last time. Not too crazy about them. Here is the meatball meal. It looks pretty good. I'm excited to try it out. It had a soy glaze on it, and that always tastes good to me. What'd you think of our dinner, Phil?
It was really good. I like the flavors a lot. I didn't think I was gonna like the pork meatballs, but they were actually really good. So you did a great job with it. It was another good recipe. Definitely not the best one we've ever had, but it certainly wasn't the worst.
Now I'm gonna go get that pup. Also, this window here and the sink, it's where all the bees were, and I'm scared of it. I have to examine it. I have to come in here every time and just like look in the sink and look at the window to make sure there's not a bee in sight.
Yeah.
All right, Mom, what do we have here?
Phillips European. It's the best bakery in Rochester.
Show us what we got.
So
it looks good. Wait, is this a chocolate? No, it's not. I just got so excited for no reason.
Okay, right here, flourless chocolate torte and another flourless chocolate torte. We have a Viennese
Torte.
It's a meringue torte and another Viennese meringue torte. These are
Carrot
two carrot cakes. We've got two raspberry cheesecake. This raspberry got into somebody else's territory. This is a lemon cake.
Okay.
And then one of these is a triple chocolate something or other, and the other one's a
peanut butter.
That's a peanut butter.
Triple chocolate. Okay.
Yeah. And then this is a walnut chocolate chip pie.
Yum. My favorite's not in here because they only have it so much. It's a
special order.
Yes. But I'm gonna have the Viennese torte because it's so good. Right here is what it looks like. It's layered with whipped cream, strawberries, meringue. It kind of is like a strawberry shortcake, but fancier. You can see some cake in there too.
Yeah.
This is my Lisa Frank cookie. What do you think? It's got a couple smudges on it because I took the stencil off. Not so great, but I feel pretty good about it for my first try. Here we go again. Pauline from the future here, closing out the week vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what was your favorite part about what we did this week. And finally, if you enjoyed our vlogs and want to come on this YouTube journey with us, be sure to subscribe. It is completely free to subscribe and you'll get notified when we put out new videos if you hit that bell icon. All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and kwaherini.